What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're playing Animal Company, as you can see. Recently I did the YouTube verification because funny. Well, not because funny, but because I wanted to be able to give you guys my Discord link, and I learned it also allows me to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So now I can officially make videos like these without having to rush, which is kind of nice. So, in today's Animal Company video, all we're really doing is we're going to be trying to get those $1,000 suitcases. I'm in my private code. If any of you want to ever join in the future, that's what it is right there. So yeah. We're just gonna be trying to, not beat the game, but I'm gonna consider getting the briefcases that are worth like $1,000. Getting at least one of them is beating the game, so yeah, let's do that. Uh-oh. We're gonna be heading over to the secret shop. If any of you don't know what the secret shop is, it is very self-explanatory, I think. It's just this like weird place, very spoopy. You can find a grenade. Also, the boombox is in here now, so you can just jam out the music. I really hope that's not copyrighted. I really hope it isn't, but it's whatever. We have the umbrellas, which objectively are now one of the most overpowered items in the game, and I'll get to that in a second. Pogo sticks go well with umbrella, but umbrella's just goated, to be honest. So let's just get all of our stuff and go down. I will be showing you the optimal gear you might want to bring. Just personally, in my opinion, that you might want to bring, because it'll give you a lot of success. I would heavily recommend a crossbow and grenades, because those are helpful. Also, put the umbrella on your back, because then you don't have to hold it and you still can do the gliding. Just, you aim the gliding with your head. That surely can't go wrong, right? But anyway, we will be filling this with 1, 2. I feel like we only really need 2. Yes. I will bring an extra. We will also bring a few grenades, because this is, as you can see, I still have plenty of money. You're definitely, if you want to get anywhere, I recommend just going in a public lobby and stealing people's money by tagging along with them, or just not caring about their run and just stealing all their stuff. Why do I recommend this? There's actually, there's actually a really simple explanation to this, and that's, you can just get a lot of free loot without really trying. Half of this stuff is gonna respawn, I just know it. Which I guess is fine, but it's really not. We'll just grab one. Yeah. I do recommend you actually prepare. Dang, was I like not placing it right? I don't know. Maybe I can still place this in. But if you want, you can just skip ahead a bit in this video to when I'm actually going, because I'm just preparing my stuff right now. So, yeah. Let's go. Anyway, without further ado, let's just go. I might die multiple times. Definitely not foreshadowing anything. But if this video ends up being a solid 30 minutes, you'll understand why. So, anyway, now we're just going. I'm just gonna keep it on my mini-map. And let's do this. There's a reason I don't typically go down here by myself while I'm not in a public lobby. And that's because ever since I didn't record them, but I made Gorilla Tag, like, finding ghost videos. Ever since those videos, I've been, like, really, like, paranoid. These are the effects a VR can have on a man. Unfortunately. There's not much I can avoid as a VR YouTuber, but just keep that in mind. Also, these guys are broken, so if I die to them, you'll know why. So if you hear any background noises, my family doesn't listen to me when I say. So I might not talk much in these tricky sections because navigating these areas are hard. Especially when these things exist. The giant meatballs. That is not what I want. There we go. As you can see, it's a lot of micromanaging. If I hear the noise, I'm just sprinting. Like I said before, I've been really paranoid and really careful around games like this ever since I did multiple videos on hunting Gorilla Tag ghosts. And okay, good, I was far enough. Whew. I really don't like, if I die, I'm probably ending the video, because otherwise I'm going to give myself a heart attack, and I don't feel like doing that. I know, super weird, right? Freaking YouTuber who does content like this doesn't want to do the content. But it can be, if any of you have experienced Gorilla Tag ghosts or anything like that before, you'll know where I'm coming from with this. They can be extremely scary. And they can make you extremely paranoid. Trust me. I've recorded like 40 of them, not for YouTube, just like for myself. And I've wanted to give and I have felt like I was gonna have a heart attack multiple times. I might actually have to use this rocket. Nope, I just had to step forward in real life. The funny thing is, I don't actually know where to go after. I might record another one of these videos, but with a friend, because I'm going to die if I only do these by myself. Let's just put it that way. And last I checked, death is not an option. Especially not real-life death. Looks... Oh yeah, I forgot they added that curve there. That changed ever since the last update I've been playing this game. Right, we're emptying out this entire thing. Nope. Grenade, you are not leaving. This might seem really boring, and to me, it is absolutely horrific. I'm probably going to want to explode by the end of this video. Explode violently. To put it. This is actually really hard to see. I need to bring a flashlight so I can see. But I also don't particularly feel like leaving this grenade behind. Because I need to shoot a grenade. At least one. To deter possible monsters. Or just... yeah, blow up. Oh, shit. Well, I blew up. I'm probably gonna make just a part 2 to this video with my friend, but the least I can do now is at least, go kill, like, anglerfish with the remaining 2,000 I have. Or, actually, I'm gonna save that for the next video, which I'm probably gonna record in, like, 2 minutes anyway. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If I record another one of those by myself, I will give myself a heart attack. Therefore, I'm not going to do it. Anyway, goodbye, and yeah. Woohoo!